Hi everyone, welcome back to Nidhi Mini World. So in this video, I'm going to show you some yummy looking gorgeous chicken popcorn at home easily. There you can see the pictures of them and they look so delicious and yummy. So let's prepare these yummy and delicious chicken popcorn in this video. So let's get started. Yay! First we need some boneless chicken which has been cut in medium size and add a tablespoon of salt. In this bowl I add some maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and now I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. Now in the chicken I added a teaspoon of red chili powder and even in here. Now here I'm adding some finely chopped mint leaves and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add a tablespoon of coriander powder, it's also called as dhania powder, even add here also. Then add a teaspoon cumin seed powder, it's also called as jeera powder. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of pepper into the chicken. And we're preparing seasoning flour and give it a mix. Now add some fresh curd into the chicken. Here, add it and give it a good stir. You can also mix it with your hand, but here I'm using a spoon because I don't want to get my hands messy. Mix it well so that all the ingredients mixes and all. Now I'm some seasoning flour into the chicken. And again give it a good stir so that all the seasoning flour mixes with the chicken. Here I actually add a teaspoon of baking powder, but unfortunately I missed the clip. Sorry for that. Now here I'm adding a tablespoon of vinegar into the chicken. Now we need to give chicken a good stir so that it mixes well and all the mixture sticks to the chicken. So just roll the chicken in seasoning flour like this as shown. See, you must do this with each and every chicken piece. Here all the chickens are rolled in the seasoning flour, and now just after heating the oil, just add the chicken which is rolled in the seasoning flour into the oil and wait for it to become in golden brown color. Here you can see the chicken is almost in golden brown color, so it can be removed, but all the chicken inside also must cook. After the chicken becomes in golden brown color, take it on a plate on a tissue paper so that all the oil in the chicken can be soaked by the tissues. Here you can see you can serve it and eat it, and they look so good. Let me taste one chicken popcorn. You can serve it with a cup of sauce, and it's so yummy, good looking in golden brown color, and also so crunchy for you to eat. It's like KFC style chicken. Enjoy your chicken popcorn.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.